I love my village and its sweet mangoes. Hi, my name is Yusra. I love making cute and fun videos in my village. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you!
Hi, my name is Yusra. I love making cute and fun videos in my village. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for your love and support.
Hi friends! Look at this beautiful mango from my tree. It's so fresh and yummy. So happy. This mango looks so yummy. Mmm, so sweet and juicy. I love it here. Smiles bloom while eating mango sweet. Under the tree we laugh and play. So sweet. Look at the little chicks. What a beautiful day. Hi, little chicks.
Her name is Yusra. Every day she brings you beautiful, joyful, and heart-touching videos from the lap of nature. If her journey touches your heart, don't forget to support her.
Puppies and kittens are my dearest friends. In playing with them, I find joy and peace. Love is for every living soul.
Let's run, friends! This is so much fun!
Aw, you're so cute! Go play, you two! Yusra carries them in her arms as she walks. With every step, there's a touch of love, and in their eyes, a story of friendship unfolds.
Mommy, we're home!
Welcome back, my loves.
They had so much fun!
Aw, he's so cute! I know, and the kitten is purring. They're best friends, the best.
Hello, my friends! Let's play!
I love playing with you all.
Hello, my sweet friends! I love playing with you. You're all so cute.
Hi, friends! Ready for fun?
Woo! Yes! Yay! Let's play! 2, 4.
Hi, friends! Ready for fun?
Woo! Yes! Yay! Let's play! 2, 4. Let's run and play, friends! This is so much fun! Let's run and play, friends! This is so much fun! Yay! This is so much fun! Woof! Woof! Hee! Faster! Best friends forever!
Here you go, my sweet friends. Eat up! Good job! I love you all.
Here you go, my little friends. Eat up, everyone. There's plenty for all. Good animals. Here you go, my little friends. That's it. Enjoy. I love you all so much.